We have an enduring need to stay connected, to share our experiences daily. And while Wi-Fi and 3G or 4G networks help us to fulfill this need, for now, they cannot satisfy the fast-growing demand to connect forever. The time for a different approach has come, one that will broaden our ability to connect through a simple but revolutionary innovation. That innovation is mCell. mCell is a technology developed by World that introduces a new way of staying connected wherever you are in the world. Unlike standard operators that use a single tower to serve hundreds of users, we utilize thousands of microcells worldwide to bring you boundless mobile connectivity. Your space station uses each cell at the standard frequency of 5 gigahertz of your Wi-Fi to create a new global network LTE that is usable worldwide and does not require spectrum licensing. This means more data capacity with higher speeds and greater network connectivity. The revolution in world of connectivity begins and ends with you. The global mobile network is ultimately made and owned by people. By getting your own microcell, you'll also be investing in your network. Each time someone connects to one of your microcells, the profits gained by World will be shared with you. Enjoy all your current activities with the Space Phone. Send instant messages to your network. Browse your personal web page. Watch trending videos. Explore your social channels. Consult any online maps to reach your destination. What's more, you will be able to connect no matter where you are in the world. The internet is at your fingertips. Thanks to mCell, you can connect in over 85 countries with no monthly fees or hidden charges. The network is only you, your space phone, and the thousands of space stations worldwide. Join us in building an independent network accessible to everyone, everywhere. mCell. Stay connected. Always.